Welcome my friends, welcome to Mahamudra movement. My name is Felix Fuensalida and today we're going to learn how to do breathwork or pranayama. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends. Today we're going to see two different kinds of techniques: the 9 breathings pranayama and the 4 stages pranayama. The 9 breathings pranayama is for cleaning our respiratory system and also our energetic system. The 4 stages pranayama is for becoming more aware of how we're breathing by dividing the breathing action in 4 stages, which are inhalation, retaining with air, exhalation, and retaining without air. By controlling this, we are able also to control more or less our emotions, to take control over what is going on inside us, and this is very useful specifically for our daily life, to reduce our stress levels and to become more balanced in our emotionally and mental state. Breathwork or pranayama is very simple and very easy to do, and you can do it every day during 5 to 10 minutes. You don't need really any more than that to have the results that you would like to have for your life. You don't need to be 1 hour doing this kind of techniques. They are only a bridge or a preparation for what is meditation or going into a higher state of the mind and spirit. But if you're doing this just for feeling relaxed, by 5 to 10 minutes is gonna be just enough. So I invite you all to do these pranayamas with me today and to start your discipline in your daily life. In the 9 breathings breathwork or pranayama, we're going to separate the left hemisphere with the right hemisphere when we inhale and we exhale. By using our fingers, we're going to tap our nose, so we choose from which side we're inhaling and from which side we are exhaling. We're going to do each side 3 times, and then we're going to inhale and exhale 3 times through both altogether. I'm gonna show you how to do it now so you can start right away to do the practice. Remember, you can comment below any doubt or any experience that you may have when you do this. I recommend that if you have too much mucus on this in your respiratory system, have with you some kind of tissue, because something is gonna get out. This is the intention. Okay, so what we're going to do is with our thumbs we're going to tap just below the annular finger like this, and we're gonna close and we're gonna let our these fingers up. Okay, so we're gonna let the left hand over the knee and we're going to use the right hand, okay, at the beginning, the first 3 breathings. Okay, just follow me and you will see what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to inhale deeply, and then I'm going to exhale through the mouth. Press here your abdomen, your core. Again. Make sure that there's no more air. And when there's no more air, you're going to bring your right hand, and you're going to tap the left nostril. Okay, so I'm doing like this, I'm crossing it. Now I'm going to inhale through the right side of the nose. Now I'm gonna switch and I'm gonna exhale through the left side. Strong. Now we repeat. Switch, inhale through the right side. Exhale, exhale. One more time. And switch and exhale. without breathing. We're gonna let this hand here, and we're gonna do the opposite side. So we're gonna tap with the left hand the right side, and we're gonna inhale. Exhale. Again. Exhale. One more time. Exhale. Without breathing, let both hands here, and now all together with the nose only. Exhale through your nose. Again. One last time. Breathe normally, release your hands. Now, in the fourth stage pranayama, we are going to control the way we are breathing by separating, as I was saying, the breathing process in 4 stages. So for anybody that is just starting, we're going to count how long we're going to inhale, then how long we're going to retain the air, then how long are we going to take to exhale, and then we're going to retain without air for the same period of time. Normally, if you're just a beginner, you will just start with 4 or 5 seconds in each process, in each part, and little by little you will gain more breathing capacity to put more air into your thoracic box, and also to control the way you are inhaling, exhaling, and retaining the air. Okay, so this is a very good exercise to oxygenate our brain, to oxygenate our body. It gives a lot of energy, and also it prepares us in a very good way to enter into meditation or to have a good sleep too. Okay, so let's begin. We're going to inhale deeply. One little detail I was forgetting, we only breathe through our nose. Okay, so let's begin. Inhale deeply in 4, okay? Now, keep the air for seconds. Exhaling for seconds. Stay for seconds without air. We're gonna repeat. Inhale. Stay. Exhale. Hold it. Breathe deeply. Exhale. Now we are ready for a meditation or for anything that you want to do right now after your breathing practice. Thank you very much for being with me today in this pranayama and breathwork video tutorial. I wish that you can really start doing these techniques in your daily life. They really profoundly change the way you live, especially because they are really connected, these techniques. Breathing is connected to the way we think, to the way we feel. And when we start giving awareness to our breathing, we give awareness to our internal world, to our emotions, to our thoughts, and all the patterns that happen inside that most of the time are unconscious, and we are unaware of so much that is going on within us. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to give me a like, and if you don't know how to sit properly, how to sit down for meditation, please watch my next tutorial. It's gonna be just about that, how to sit down for meditation and breathwork. See you later, and namaste.